So you want to know how to share and gift crypto to other people? Well, the first thing you need to do is go ahead and just open up your Robinhood account. And from here, you're going to want to click the bottom right where it'll show a little person, your little profile. Then from here, you're going to want to click the 3 lines up top, the top right. And you'll see crypto gifts right there. It's pretty much the one all the way at the bottom. Go ahead and click crypto gifts and then press give crypto. And it gives you a whole lot of options like whatever you want the background to be. If you want to send Dogecoin, I mean, this is probably the best one you could pick. Or this one, we'll just go with this one. Then go ahead and pick the currency. It could be any of these options, Ethereum, Doge, Bitcoin, literally every single one right here. And then go ahead and choose your amount that is listed here, or if you want to type a different amount, go ahead and do that. But I'm just going to pick $1. Press review. Then you'll see the amount crypto when it expires. Then press confirm gift. Then it'll show a page like this where it'll say on the bottom share gift. Then you'll send the link to whoever you want and they'll just confirm it and it'll go straight into their Robinhood account.